Let me be honest, 2025 probably wasn't your year. Plans fell apart, motivation came and disappeared, and somewhere deep inside, you feel disappointed in yourself. But listen, this is not where your story ends. 2026 is not just another year, it's a second chance. A chance to prove yourself, a chance to silence every voice that said, you can't do it. And most importantly, a chance to show up for yourself. I know, some days it's hard to even get up. Some days you question everything. What's the point? But remember this, behind every successful person, there's a silent comeback story that no one ever saw. This time, you don't need a loud comeback. You need a silent one. No excuses, no drama, just getting a little better every day. A little more discipline, a little more focus. Even if it's just 10 minutes a day, don't break your consistency. Imagine this, if you start today, 6 months from now, you won't be the same person. People will ask what changed, and you'll just smile and say, 2026 is my year. So decide today that you're getting back up. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to fix everything overnight. Just don't stop. Because this time, your comeback won't just be strong, it will be legendary. And if something inside you just clicked, if you're done with the old version of yourself, then don't scroll quietly. Comment, I will come back. Make it real. Make it a promise to yourself.